Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for being here today as we embark on an exciting journey to showcase how MediChain will reshape the landscape of healthcare. Our team is truly excited to present how we're tackling some of the most pressing challenges in healthcare through our innovative application. Our exploration begins with MediChain, a powerful web-based application that leverages blockchain technology using the Hyperledger Fabric framework to bridge critical gaps in the healthcare sector. But we don't stop there. We're determined to overcome some of the most significant challenges facing healthcare today. Let's dive right in and witness how we're driving positive change. MediChain's core mission is to securely manage patient records using cutting-edge blockchain technology. We've made it our priority to ensure that data remains tamper-proof and confidential, accessible only to authorized personnel through our role-based structure. In essence, MediChain acts as a vital bridge between various hospitals, integrating seamlessly with existing systems. Think of it as an essential connector that allows hospitals to maintain their current workflows while benefiting from the advantages of our blockchain network. To kick things off, we'll demonstrate how we can effortlessly add hospitals to our network and initiate the blockchain. Let me add to hospitals first, then enroll them. Enrolling and unenrolling hospitals is as simple as flipping a switch, providing flexibility for hospitals to temporarily join or opt out of the network as needed, without disrupting the data flow. Speaking of the data flow, let's begin with the roles. The superadmin role has no access to any hospital data other than its metadata, while the admin of each hospital is authorized to have only the public data of the patient or its metadata. The doctors are able to access the data of the only assigned patients. Also, here the developer or blockchain head provides credentials for each hospital admin. The admin later is able to change the credentials for their own privacy and ease. Each admin is also provided with statistics of their own hospitals and a link connector to connect to their local server domain as part of the hospital data analytics. Now that everything is done, let's open a portal to both admins of hospitals. Our primary focus in this hackathon revolves around the open text challenges. Specifically, we're tackling the integration of healthcare and patient information for doctors and embedding accessibility into healthcare solutions. These challenges are pivotal in improving healthcare and patient support. Here, if the patient is not registered before or if there is an emergency, the admin is able to register the patient into the hospital on their behalf, and later patient can change their credentials for ease. Everything is encrypted using SH-256 to ensure proper encryption and security. Our data is divided into three categories: the patient medical record or PMR, the electronic medical record or EMR, and the personal health record or PHR. The PHR is a public representation of a patient which is inherited from the PMR. The PMR is a personal record of the patient which he or she keeps and handles the information the patient wants to share into the PHR, while the EMR is a confidential record of the patient made by the hospital and doctor combined only, accessible by doctor and hospital, which the entity will be able to share once they authorize others. The admin is able to see users who are not patients yet, who have checked in as patients but are not assigned to a doctor, patients assigned to a doctor or doctors, and patients who are waiting for them to be discharged by the admin. You can see all the details of a patient and assigned doctors. Here are some of the other important features like notifications and reminders. The notifications are meant to inform you about the actions, while the reminders allow you to execute certain tasks. Before proceeding to the patient transfer feature of our app, let's visit the doctor and patient portal. On the left is a doctor portal and on the right is the patient portal. The technology behind the storage of records is as stated. We use Google Healthcare API to store the patient records in the form of here, and try to store the metadata obtained in blockchain technology. We have used Notifications API from OpenText Cloud to enable patients, admin, and doctors for easier communication through mail or other necessary means. Let us show you how patient transfer happens. Let's divide our window into two. My left side belongs to Hospital 1, be it patient, doctor or admin user. My right side belongs to Hospital 2. The Hospital to doctor requests the patient record of the registered patient in Hospital 1 using his ID. The doctor will wait for the process to happen and get the record after successful completion. Now, after a doctor has requested the patient record, the admin of Hospital 1 will get the request and send the request further to the patient's associated doctors. All the associated doctors can either accept or deny sharing of records. Here, the record we are talking about is the EMR generated for the patient by each doctor for the patient. After that, each doctor will go into their portals and either accept or deny the request to share records. Admins also have a direct option of sharing records in times of emergency. The last stage would be the patients themselves agreeing to share their records. Note that in case of emergencies, this step is ignored. In summary, we've explored how MediChain addresses the challenges outlined by OpenText. Our solution ensures secure patient record management, seamless data sharing, and accessibility. We seamlessly integrated OpenText services to enhance our application's functionality. The benefits are clear. MediChain bridges healthcare gaps, improves patient-doctor communication, and provides better support, regardless of location. We're proud of what we've achieved, and we're excited about the impact our application can have. Before we conclude, I'd like to express my gratitude to OpenText for organizing this hackathon and giving us the opportunity to showcase our skills. If you have any further questions or would like to collaborate with us, please don't hesitate to reach out.